Some sides quietly steal the whole plate. These croquettes are one of them. Light, crispy and full of flavor. And today you will learn the classic way how to make them at home from scratch. So let's start with the basics. We're gonna need cooked starchy potatoes that we're gonna put through the potato ricer and mix with some butter. It creates that smooth consistency that croquettes are known for. Here are a few tips. Before cooking, cut the potatoes into quarters. This way they will cook quicker. After draining, let them steam off for a moment. This will help with the texture. Now we're gonna take 2 eggs and separate them. Add potato starch, salt, pepper and nutmeg to the potato mash. Try it if you like it. Then add your yolks. We're gonna knead everything together until the mixture is smooth and uniform. Now hold for 5 seconds. If this is the kind of cooking you like, hit that like button. You need to engage for YouTube to recommend my videos to you. Use slightly damp hands to shape the dough into 12 small rolls and set them aside. And don't worry if they're not perfect, although this one kind of is. In the meanwhile, heat up your oil to a medium heat. That will take a few minutes. And now we're gonna bread them. You have the egg whites in one bowl and the breadcrumbs in another. Dip each roll into the egg whites first and then coat in breadcrumbs until it's completely covered. Check the temperature by dipping the end of the wooden spoon into the oil. Bubbles forming around the handle means it's ready. Fry the croquettes in small batches, give them 2 to 4 minutes until they turn deep golden. Lift them out with a slotted spoon and place them on the paper towel to drain. Keep the cooked ones warm in the oven at 100 degrees Celsius while you finish the rest. And that's the payoff. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside and ready to pair with almost any main dish. If you want to keep the potato theme going, check my potato recipe playlist.